today's video, let us look at how dry ginger can be used to treat health problems at home. I am Vaishnavi and you are watching Arogya Vidya, your guide to feel, heal and nourish. Dry ginger is a natural stimulant that also improves appetite, digestion and removes flatulence, that is gas. It also removes belching and burning sensation in chest, cures cough, loose motion, dyspepsia, pinprick in ears, anemia, etc. Before moving on to remedies, let us quickly look at two easy methods to clean dry ginger. Also, to get notified about our latest videos, do subscribe and click the bell next to it. If you think the dry ginger you bought is not clean, follow any one of these two methods to clean it. Number 1. Soak the dry ginger in chuna pani for 3 hours. Number 2. Remove its skin, apply some chuna and dry it under the sun for 3 hours. Then wash it and use it in your remedies. Chuna is called calcine lime in English. Now let's move on to remedies using this kitchen medicine. Do you have toothache due to cold or chills? Just apply some dry ginger powder on the spot. Remedy 2. Take a pinch of dry ginger powder using 3 fingers. Mix it in 170 ml of fresh raw cow milk and drink it. This will improve appetite. Remedy 3. Keep a small piece of dry ginger in the ear for some time to remove tiredness, phlegm and blockage in ears. But before that, make sure to dust away the loose powder on the dry ginger so they don't go inside your ear. Remedy 4. Rub a dry ginger on a wet stone slab to get it spaced. Apply this paste on swollen joints to remove swelling due to rheumatism. You can also apply this on your forehead and temples to get rid of headache. Remedy 5. Eating a small pinch of dry ginger powder with some honey or sugarcane juice twice a day cures burning sensation in the stomach. Remedy 6. Pound some dry ginger coarsely using a mortar and pestle. Tie it in a thin cotton cloth and plug it in the ear for some time. This cures blocked ear and helps balance vata, that is wind dosha. Remedy 7. Eat a pinch of dry ginger powder with some curd on an empty stomach in the morning and evening. This cures stomach problems like diarrhea due to excess body heat, flatulence, that is gas, noise in the stomach, etc. Remedy 8. Remove the skin from dry ginger and wet it. Apply table salt on it and place it in hot wood ashes for a few minutes. Then take it out and powder it. Store this in an airtight glass container. Take a pinch of this powder with honey to cure endless hiccups. That's all for today. If you like our video, please like, share and comment below. Stay healthy. Bye.